Hey guys, I just finished this house as I was talking to you about. It's in South Euclid, Ohio. Nice neighborhood, B+. We are putting a new roof on. We're finishing the roof over there on the garage, but other than that, it's done. We always want to snake all the plumbing. Your biggest problem with a lot of these is plumbing. So you want to make sure you snake that, or they have another one called Jet. Jet's a little bit better, so whatever you want to do. As you can see here, we got all new plugs and switches and lights and paint. We refinished the wood floors. What's nice about these houses, they have wood floors, so it does help the cost. It defrays the cost quite a bit. This one had newer windows, and again, we put in the good, blinds without, you can pull down with your hands. So it's not a big situation there. They seem to last a lot longer, we've noticed. And I quit putting the squares in the kitchen because they're hard to lace. We just run one continuous sheet of linoleum, which is not very expensive, number one, and number two is easy to put in. So we can replace this every time if we need to, but it's been holding up pretty good. And then as you can see in here, there's the garage door. We put the same flooring in here. New toilet. This has a really nice shower. We really didn't have to do much. We left again, saved a little bit of money. Fixtures. And again, same thing in here. Plugs and switches and lights and blinds. Paint. And look at the color of the paint, how nice it is. It really makes this particular house look a lot richer and a lot nicer. Of course, you want to get your carbon detectors in if you have gas heat. Or any kind of gas stuff in your house. It's important in Ohio for sure. Smoke detectors. We just put new ones in. We don't mess around. And then the upstairs here, these are wood, but we just paint them a gray paint, and it holds up really well. And you can see it looks nice. And then we paint the colors. And then this particular one, we did the same thing up here. And we got another carbon up here. And some more smoke detectors and new lights. Now he was supposed to put a plug over there, so I caught that. He's got to do that too, so he's going to get that done. And we painted the brick. See how nice the brick looks, the gray? And then they can use this as a walk-in closet office. I can't kind of open. This will rent for $1,300 a month. And all this ran me about $15,000 for this up. About 15, I think it was about 17,000 because we did put in a new heater. I apologize. But it has the newer windows in it, so that's good. So let's go down here and look at the heater, water heater, and electrical panel in the basement. And again, another carbon detector. As you can see here, we got the newer panel. We didn't put it in, but it was there. And then we put in a new Guardian heater. So that's nice on that. And this was what ream was already put in here. I know that there's some recalls on that and stuff, but this is a newer ream, so we kept it. So, and then we left this to whatever the tenants want to do. There's some lockers over there. But really, and there's a washer and dryer. Sometimes that helps get you more rent. You can buy used ones, pretty reasonable. But again, this is what we do with the house, so we want to make sure aesthetically it looked good and mechanically it was good. The heater actually worked, but the owner wanted a newer one just for the heck of it, so we did it. It's really up to you on that. If they're working and you service them, they could last up, and that one could last another 10 years. So I leave that up to the client. I personally leave them in. But I did that with one I just bought, and of course it went out the next week. So I had to put a new one in, but no big deal. Either way, this house turned out really nice. So again, if you're looking for investment real estate, reasonable, I mean, we're talking this one, I can get these for between $100,000 and $150,000 all in. This will rent for $1,300 with taxes, insurance, and property management. You're probably talking right at net around $900 a month. So the high in demand, there's a lot of people that want these houses. And the equity position on this one's worth about $150. So we have about $110 into it. So you're going to get $25,000 to $40,000 equity with these houses. And that's really good, especially today. So we look for them, we get them taken care of. So give me a call. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty. 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740, or look me up on WhatsApp. I'd love to help you. Thanks. And you can also go subscribe and like this YouTube channel, because I'm always updating with these type of properties, giving you some good tips and taking you through with exactly what I did. Thanks.